Well, it's been a pretty amazing year for the stock market. There it is. I should probably move myself out of the way so that you can see what the returns look like. Let me re-bring myself in for the S&P. Now, my job is simple. Do you see what I've colored in red there, right at the bottom? My job is actually, contrary to what people think, it's not in many ways to pick stocks or tell you which way the market's going. No, I don't have a time machine. In one sense, the simplest, lowest bar of my job, the easiest thing in my job, is simply to work out once in 7 years and tell my family and my wife, it looks like we're holding cash. Not for the whole year. We would think, oh, January, we haven't got anything to pick. Let's wait till February. February, let's wait till March. It happens about once every 5 or 6 years. It happened in 2022. Have a look at my YouTube videos for more of that. That's my job. It's actually not as difficult as people think. And the reason for that and the trick about that is this. If you overpredict, you're likely to be wrong. If you say not only when is something going to go up, but by how much, you are definitely going to be wrong. Whereas if you're saying, let me just tell you the years in which I'm going to hold cash and I know they're going to be few and far between, then your returns are going to look pretty bloody good. That's it. That's it. That is it. And people occasionally go, oh, how do you outperform the S&P then? Oh, pretty simple. Just throw in a bit of NASDAQ in there if you wish. Mix the two and now you've just outperformed the S&P 500. Make sure you have got a method for staying out on the few years, 1 in 7 roughly, where it's a falling market, which was 2022. How do you know? Short and medium term prices depicted by the average prices on a chart. Have a look at something like Yahoo Finance, which will show you the chart of the S&P, and look at short and medium term prices. When they're both falling, you get out. Only happens once in 5 to 7 years, okay? So don't think it's, oh, well, Alpesh, how would I know? Is it today? Is it today? Chances are it's not today. Chances are it's not even this year. Like I said, happens infrequently. If you want to learn more and you want to download a copy of my book, alpeshpatel.com/links is where you would go. One of many books that I've written, 18, including international bestsellers, published by the Financial Times. There we go. There's one of them. Big, thick tomes as well, as Donald Trump might say. That's where you go, alpeshpatel.com/links. If you want to improve your pension, get in touch. It's one of the things that we try and inform and educate people on. Thank you very much.